They're going to follow suit this coming year. We've seen massive teacher layoffs across the state. I've been in schools, a couple hundred schools, my last 2 years in the Senate, giving out awards, a couple thousand classrooms. I've seen dedicated teachers everywhere with an impossible task of trying to educate kids 30 to 35 in an elementary school classroom, 45 to 50 in a high school class, without the tools, without the resources. If I'm governor, we're going to refund public education in this state. We're going to put Minnesota back and have the greatest schools anywhere in America, anywhere in the world, and that's the #1 contribution the state government can make to a better Minnesota. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to provide health care for every citizen of this state. I support and salute Senator John Marty, who's been a champion of the single-payer health care in the Minnesota legislature for many years. If I'm elected, there'll be a governor standing with him and others to assure that we have universal health care, affordable health care for every single Minnesotan. And how are we going to do that? We're going to take the profiteering out of the health care system. United Health Group, a Minnesota company, just reported quarterly profits. Profits for 3 months of almost $1 billion. That's $1 billion. Now, they don't provide health care. They take money from people, and then they pay less of it than they receive in health care insurance. And that's how they make their money. You got the drug companies. When I was in Washington, in cahoots with the Republican senators out there saying, you can't negotiate lower prices for prescription drugs for Medicare. So the taxpayers and the elderly citizens of this country pay higher drug prices so they can make obscene profits. If we take the profiteering out of health care and we put every dollar that we pay for health care into health care for people rather than profits for corporations, we can provide universal coverage for every Minnesotan, for every American at affordable costs, better than we do today, and that's a promise I'll make as I'm governor of this state.